In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video and a photo to one Instagram story. So as an example, you can just go here and try to add a story. And for me, as an example, I'm just going to add a new story. So open camera and let's just try here to go and record a video. So let me just hold it. And as you can see, I'm recording a video right now. And yeah, I'm going to stop. So this is a video. And now I'd like to add a photo. In order to do so, I'm just going to do at the top, I'm going to click on this sticker to add a sticker, and I'm going to choose here photo. On the photo, I'm just going to add an example, this photo right here, and here we are. So this is a photo, not a sticker. Of course, it's like a photo, but it looks like a sticker because I have the photo sticker. Let's just choose a different photo so you can see for yourself. An example, this is a photo for me. So I'll be able to click on it. I'll be able to double click on it to reshape it however I want. And of course, you'll be able to make it bigger or smaller, depending on whatever you want. So yeah, I'm just going to put it here. And yeah, that's one of the methods that you can add a picture and a photo to the same story. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.